Meron tayong Diyos. We could come to the throne of the Holy God.
There are times when the weight of the world is pulling you down. Your burdens are heavy, and it seems that no one's around. Well, there is a Savior who has a cure for all your
ingatan mo ang iyong puso ng buong sikap, hindi lang po
His
partial.
call to leave them there. Let go and
Patay to lang. Huwag ho kayo magmadali. Antayin niyo po na tamang panahon.
God, be willing to wait. He'll hear your cry. Just trust Him today. Let go and let God. Let go and let God. He'll show you His plan as you walk through the valley. He's holding your hand. Let go and let.
And it is the preparation para doon po sa pag-aasawa, sa marriage life niyo, na kailangan maging maayos at ayon sa salita ng ating Panginoon.
Let go and let God.
Pag panahon ng Diyos, hindi ka mahihirapan. Pag panahon ng Diyos, hindi ka magsisisi. Pag panahon ng Diyos, hindi ka makakamit. Diyos, that's
Let go and let God. He's got an answer for all. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust Him, how I proved Him more and more. Let go and let God. He'll show you.
Anumang oras, anumang pangangailangan natin, hindi tayo babaliwalain ng ating Panginoon. Aayusin niya ang takbo ng buhay natin.
He'll hear your cry, just trust Him today. Let go and let God. Let go and let God.